How are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video on AI Pin. Today we'll be going over this here text-to-speech. So once you click on text-to-speech, it will take you to the text-to-speech bot. And what is a text-to-speech bot? A text-to-speech bot is basically you type in a prompt, you type in a text, and it will convert that text into an AI speech. So if you guys see any of those videos on TikTok where the AI is speaking and there's AI narrating of a story, this is the bot that does it. So how does it work? We go on a prompt and we type in a little story. Hi, today we will be talking about cars. Cars are amazing. They are good and they work very well. These are all the voices you can pick for it, so I'll go with Echo Male, middle-aged men general. Send it to it.
Hi, today we will be talking about cars. Cars are amazing, they are good, and they work very well.
So I don't know if you guys were able to hear that, but it played it very well with the pauses properly and everything properly. So if you guys have any prompts that you guys want to put, stories you want to put and convert into text, convert text to speech, this is the bot to do it. Thank you guys for watching.